Hi, this is David Feinberg, founder and CEO of Pure Juicer. Today I want to show you our new press cloth. I'm really excited about this. I've been working on it for about the last year. Every time we get cloth woven, I get a lab test on it, so I know how strong it is, what the tear strength is in both directions, how porous it is, which means how much juice will flow through it, and I keep an eye on all these numbers. And over time, I felt like we could make a much better cloth than even our last cloth, which is really good. And what we did was we took our standard weave and we made it into a ripstop weave. We increased the strength, we increased the porosity, and we also made a lighter cloth that's easier and softer to fold. The cloth also releases the puck better than any material I've ever seen, so we get the least stick of anything. The produce sticks to it the least of any cloth I've seen, and it's also the easiest cloth to clean. The increased porosity has greatly helped the cleaning because it just rinses off much easier. So all new juicers ship with our new high strength, high porosity Ripstop press cloth. I can't wait for you to try it. We've been using it for several months here and it's just incredible. Thank you very much.